Tiga.
Okay, good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Good morning.
Welcome to the island of Bali. How was your flight? I hope it is a pleasant flight. First of you, I would like to introduce myself. I am your guide for this morning tour. Okay, my name is Adi Sutrawan.
Okay, Adi. Nice to meet you. So, may I call you Adi? Adi, just Adi.
Yes, it's okay. And what is your name?
My name is Richard from America. I'm from America.
Yes.
And my trip was very good. Adi, is there any place that you would like to recommend me for my next vacation, for my next holiday?
Oh, sure. But before that, you want to visit me? Do you want to go to nature, artificial, or culture tourism in Bali?
Wow, that's great. I want to go to natural attraction. Can you take me to go to there? To go there, Adi?
Oh, of course. I will be in chains and take you anywhere.
Okay, thank you, Adi. So we go now or later?
Of course. Let's follow me and I will take you to a very famous and very beautiful beach in the northern part of Bali, okay?
Okay, of course. Come on, I can't wait to enjoy the atmosphere on the beach. I'm very happy if
Okay,
I go to beach. Yes.
yes. Okay, before we arrive at our destination, I will tell you a little about Bali, okay? So Bali
Okay.
is province in Indonesia, but many think Bali is a country like that. And Bali has many tourist destination. What you can visit, one of them is the one we are visiting now is a natural tourist destination in northern Bali. And there are many other tour in Bali like that.
Wow, that's really cool, Adi.
Yes, okay, Mister. We have arrived at the destination, namely is Lovina Beach destination.
Okay, that was really cool. The name is cool, Lavina. It's beautiful, and it is very beautiful, Adi. This is the first time I've found a beautiful beach like this. So I'm very happy go to this beach.
Yes, but there are many more beautiful beaches in Bali.
Wow, this really?
Yes, of course.
Wow, that's really cool, Adi. Can you explain me about this beach, this Lavina beach?
Yes, of course. I will explain about Lovina Beach. Yes. Okay, Lovina Beach is a beach in North Bali, which has beautiful black sand, and also this uh, beach is very unique, and there is we can see dolphin attraction like that.
Wow, that's really cool. How do you get to see the dolphin? How do we get to see the dolphin attraction?
Oh, it's very easy. Okay, of course. We can see the attraction in the morning before sunrise, and we see it by renting a boat from the fish fishermen who are always ready to take us. So destination is not too far from the beach, so it's only around a few meters like that.
Oh, so I can't wait to see the dolphin. So now we can't see the dolphin because it's late, yes?
Yes, maybe tomorrow. So now we take a break first, and here also has a profit, a very nice villa, and his complete facility, and is definitely suitable for you. But before that, you can see the sunset now here, and will enjoy the local special specialist here.
Wow, thanks. Thank you, Adi. So what time are we going to see the dolphin attraction tomorrow? What time?
Okay, we leave in the morning at 5 a.m. before sunrise. Okay, and so you get ready before 5 p.m. and later I will in inform with you tomorrow before we leave, and I will pitch you up here. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Adi, and see you tomorrow. I can wait to see you.
Okay, see you, Mr. Richard.
See you,
Have a
Adi.
good ride. Okay. Okay, see you. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye.